Hello, FxEmpress here. So, yesterday we talked about the MT4 trading platform, and today we'll be talking about the MT5 trading platform and how you can trade Forex with it like a pro. Okay, now MT5 just has a little more features than the MT4, and that's basically it. So this is the MT5 platform on an Android phone. Yeah. So when you click on manage accounts, you get to see all the accounts you've created if you have created any account. If you want to add an account to MT4 that is connected to your broker, or you want to create a new account, you come to the plus sign. You either find your broker or choose from meta quotes, and you can either log into an existing account or you open a new account. So I opened one yesterday. That's the normal Empire Chartist Academy. So we'll be logging into this. Yes, and here you have it. At the bottom, you get to see some options here. Here is where you have the quotes, and just like the MT4, you can see that they have the advanced and the simple format. Now, if you noticed, my background is black. That's because on the MT5, you can choose to change your that's the color you want to use for your app. In the MT4, I could only do that to my chart, but here I actually choose a black theme, and that's what you have here. So, and the advanced here has a lot more details. You click on anyone, you see they have more options here. Here you have properties. You get to see all the properties of that pair. You have depth of the market. So you see, if you know how to read this, you can really understand what the market is doing at that point. Okay, we have the market statistics. We have the simple view. So simple view is the same thing like what you have on the MT4. But like I said, I prefer using the advanced view mode because it gives me a lot more information than the simple view. So here you have the plus sign again. If you want to add anything, you can add here. Please watch our video on part 1, as I might not really go through everything I already went through on part 1. MT5 and MT4 are just a few differences. If you want to add, you add. You want to delete, delete, and all. Okay, so at the bottom, the next one, you have the charts. Now, when you click on the charts, anywhere on the charts, you get this circle that contains different things you can use. You have the time frame from 1 minute all the way to 1 month. Then we have the objects. You can use the objects here. You can add any object. You can use any of these favorite objects, or you add and use any one. So the objects are just like as you have on MT4. Then you have the settings here. You have a lot of the settings that you want to use, just like you have on MT4. But on MT4, the settings, you have to go to the menu. You can't really get that on the chart, but here you can get that on the chart. If you want to customize, you can do all that here too. Okay, custom, foreground, gray, grid, black. Let's choose black. Bar up, very bright green. Let's choose this. Bar down, a very bright red. Bull candle, bright green. No. Bright red, chart line white, since background is black. And okay, we're done. So you can see this looks just exactly like the chart I showed you earlier. Because of light, my eyes are a bit light sensitive, so I love using black backgrounds to do my work. So you come down here, you have where you place your trades. Okay, here you have where if you've closed any trades, your trade history, this is where it is, others deals, you know. Here you have news, here you have chats. If you sign in, then you'll be able to talk to other traders. So this one is pretty simple. So if you click on the menu, you get to see other things here. So you have another set of settings here which are different from the one that we saw on the chat screen. So if you want to add other sound, you can add other sound. You have one click trading, and all that. So that's trading signals. You have to log into Meta quotes for that to happen. So that is basically it. It's pretty simple. Okay, at the top, still same thing. Down there's a feature that the MT5 has that the MT4 doesn't have, and it is what you have here. You can actually create more than one window. So I can add a new window to this. Plus. Yes, so you can see that now I have two windows. When I click on this, it tells me things about this window. When I click on this, things about this window, and I can decide to customize that differently. I want a black background, oh, foreground white, grid black, bar up white, bar down red, blue candle white. Yeah, chart line. Yep. Okay. Now you can see the two charts are different. This actually looks beautiful. Okay, so you can monitor two charts on this one, and you can either choose for it to be vertical, or you can choose for it to be horizontal. Horizontal gives you more space and more. You can see a larger you can see more of the charts when you have this. So if I don't want it anymore, I just remove that. Then here you have the order button, new order, and just like the other one, you have instant execution, which means you want to buy at the current market price, and then you have all these, which means you want to buy or sell at a later price. Then your stop loss here, your take profit here. You can change your you can change your lot sizes here. Oh, it doesn't go below that. All right, so I think here you can choose any of the currency pairs you want to actually place another one. So that's basically it. Then something else is MT5 has a feature. 1 minute. Let me make this the foreground. Foreground is white. Okay. All right. So let's here you can actually check the number of pips a trade has gone, or the number of pips in a range or in a candle or whatever, what you do is you click on the screen with one finger, and then with the other finger you drag. Okay, so I'll do that again. You click on the screen with one finger, then with your other finger you drag. Okay, so one holds down, the other drags. Now if you look, you'll be able to check how many pips this has gone. Now it tells you how many candles are within that area, which is, now you have 3. You go this way, you see 16 and all. And then it tells you how many pips also. Tells you how many pips. Here you have 170 pips. Let's go to a much higher time frame, weekly. Okay, so one finger on the screen, the other finger you're using pushing on all this. So if you look, you can see how many candles and the number of pips. Here you have about 1,379 pips. Here you have 1,228 pips. Okay, so if you don't know what pips are, a pip is the unit of measurement in the forex market. Okay, so that's basically it. So we're going to be moving on to the Trading View platform, and that is my favorite platform for analyzing charts because it has more features you can use, and it is just simply amazing. So I do my analysis on the Trading View. So we'll talk about the Trading View in our part 3, and that will conclude this particular series. We have something really amazing coming very soon. Just watch out for it. So thank you very much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and join us next time when we have a new video. You can also click on the notification bell, so whenever we drop a new video you get to know. Our classes are very educative. Our videos are very educative. Now if you want to join our academy, that is simple. You can just drop a comment and we get to take it from there. But you're going to learn something that will make sure your trading experience and your trading journey moves to a higher level where you become consistently profitable. All right, so it's bye from FxEmpress. Have a beautiful day ahead and keep making that money. Bye.